Getting ready for the high holy days with sweet foods. Recipe: preheat oven to 392F or 20C. Slice to sweet potatoes into fours, or squash into half rings like you would slice away your regrets. Lay on tray skin side down and spray with oil, preferably olive oil, so she gets a tan and doesn't burn. Sprinkle cinnamon, salt, and ground pepper. Watch it sneeze. Drizzle date syrup all over that bad boy. Place tray in oven for 25 minutes or until browned. Seeds out and reuse them or throw them in the garbage. The choice is yours. Oh yeah. I said browned, not burned. Full recipe in the description. Delish. Don't forget to like and subscribe.